In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Boombox page editor. You'll see here that I have a list of pages. If I wanted to create a new page, I would click on the Add Page button in the upper right corner. For this demo, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this existing page called About Our Bakery. So, now I'm in the page editor. You'll see there's a toolbar across the top with a lot of icon buttons. I can scroll left and right through them, and if I roll my pointer over the icons, it shows me what each button is for. That's the best way to get familiar with the toolbar. The first button I'm going to use is the Layout button. This is what you use to put together page layouts. When I click on that button, you'll see that I can select a 50-50 column layout, or a 3-column layout, or a single column layout that spans the entire width of the page. The way that Boombox works is that you stack these layouts on top of each other. So, you can have a 50-50 layout stacked on top of a full width layout, and then a 3-column layout under that. I'm going to select a full width layout, and now I'm going to click on the Layout button again and add a 3-column layout underneath. Now that I have these column layouts, I can start adding some content to them. All I have to do is drag some dragging elements from the toolbar. Let's start with a heading. I'm going to drag an H1 heading into the top layout block and enter some text. And I'll drag a smaller H3 heading under that and enter some more text. Next, I'm going to drag a paragraph under that and paste in some paragraph text. So, we have some text in place. Now, I'm going to add some images. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom layout and drag an image into the first column. You'll see that I have the option of selecting an existing image or uploading one from my computer. I'm going to use this existing photo of some cakes. When I add an image, it includes a field for a caption. I can control the alignment of the caption over here in the right panel, which is where you'll see all the options for the various elements you drag onto the page. In this case, I don't want a caption, so I'm going to set the image to standalone. Now, let's add one for some pies. And for cookies. There are a few more things you can do in the editor. If you want, you can drag elements around. Say I want to swap the positions of the cookies and the pies. I just drag the cookies over here and the pies over here, and I'm done. I can also reorder the layout blocks by clicking on these up and down arrows. And if I want to get rid of something, for example, this H3 heading, I just click on it once to open it up in the panel, and I click on the link that says Remove. That works the same way for both layouts and elements. Now that I'm finished, I'm going to click Save and Publish, and then view the finished page. Voila! That's pretty much it for the basics. There are a whole lot of things you can do in the page editor, but the best way to learn about those is to explore it and try new things. Or you can check out some of our other videos. Happy boomboxing! And don't forget that you can always visit support.boomboxhq.com if you run into any questions.